Hey everyone, this is Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a very late Happy Mail haul. I'm so sorry I am so behind on my videos and I am doing my best to catch up. Thank you guys all so much for your patience. The first Happy Mail that I received is from Leanna at It's a Deal, and I have had this package since November. Leanna, I am so sorry that I did not get this filmed. Thank you so much. I did win a prize from Leanna, and I am so very appreciative. It was so exciting to receive such wonderful Happy Mail. She sent me this pretty card and she wrote me a note on the inside. Let's dive into this prize package. This is a menu plan. I use a menu plan every single week. I write it out, I make my shopping list, and it goes on my fridge. That way everybody knows what's going on for dinner. This is going to definitely get good use. Thank you so much for that. The next is this Thankful Blessed cutting die. It has the cute acorn and the leaves. So fun. Thank you so much. I don't have that one. She shared some super cute pumpkin stickers with me. I don't have these ones either. This Borders, Frames, and Icons stamp set. I love that font of hello. It's so cute. I usually stamp these on my dewdrop packages. This is definitely going to come in handy. Thank you so much for that. And then she sent this Sweet Harvest paper pad. It's so pretty. It's the nice thick quality paper. So pretty. I love those pumpkins. Love this color tone so much. Thank you so much, Leanna, for this wonderful prize. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Next, I'm going to go through the Christmas cards that I received. I did get out a good majority of my Christmas cards. However, I did not finish them. I have been working on sending out Valentine's Day cards to anyone that I did not send a Christmas card to. I apologize for that. I tried so hard to get them all out and I just was not able to. If you didn't receive a card from me, you should be receiving a Valentine's Day. Let's dig into what I received for Merry Mail. The first one that I received is from Laura over at Laura's Plans Crafts Beauty. I will have everyone's channels linked down below. She sent a package. I did take everything out. She made this super cute expandable pocket, and inside she left me a note, which I did already read. Thank you so much, Laura. Some tea. We have some ribbon, a cute little spoon, some candies, some super cute Christmas socks. So fun. And look at how nice this design is. I love it so much. And in this little pouch, she sent Christmas pony beads. And they are the Christmas colors. They're so fun. I actually hardly had any Christmas beads, so this is definitely going to come in handy next season. Laura, thank you so much for such a wonderful Merry Mail package. I appreciate you so very much. I did receive a card from Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. I won't be showing her card because it's a personal photo. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. This next one is from Pebbles. She sent this super cute Nomi card, good tidings of comfort and joy. Thank you so much for that note, Pebbles. She also shared some cute die cuts. So fun. I will definitely be able to use these on my Christmas cards next season. I like to send my stuff out flat. These are perfect to put on card bases. Thank you so much, Pebbles. This next card is from Teresa Carolina Bug. She has sent this super cute little reindeer. Here is her information. And she sent some foam stickers. These are so super cute. Thank you so much for those. I don't have these. They're adorable. Thank you. This next card is from Misty. We have this super cute Santa. That's adorable. And she's wishing me happy holidays. Thank you so much, Misty. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season as well. This is from Diana. Diana loves colors. Look at how sweet this little deer is. I love this. She wrote a note on the back. This is so pretty. This is thanking me for for entering her challenge. This is adorable, so cute. And she sent these Merry Christmas tags, and I use tags all the time, so these will definitely be used next season. Thank you so much, Diana. This is from Susan, Susan's Heartstrings. And she sent this beautiful card. I love Frosty. Inside, she shared some wonderful die cuts with me. These are so nice. They have some like epoxy on them. Look at this beautiful vintage Santa. I love that so much. I think I might have to hoard this one. I love it. Susan, thank you so much. That's Susan from Susan's Heartstrings. This is from Dana at Butterflies Crafts and Crochet. She sent this super cute snow globe. So fun. Inside, she shared some washi, and we have these tags that are double layered, so they're nice and sturdy. Some more washi. Thank you so much for thinking of me, Dana. I appreciate it so much. The next card is from Isabel, the Shabby Hippie. She sent this adorable Santa. So cute. I love this Santa paper in the back. She has wrote me a really nice note on the inside. Thank you so much, Isabel. This card is from Mary Ellen. This is so cute how she's done this patchwork and this adorable Santa Claus. So cute. She also shared this cute Gingy. I bet you she did this on her Cricut. So cute. And then these stickers. I love stickers. So fun. Thank you so much, Mary Ellen. This is Lori from PD by Design. She's sending me a thank you for entering her birthday challenge. She did not receive my package. It disappeared. I have no idea what happened to it. It never came back to me. She never received it, and she was gracious enough to enter me in her challenge entry anyway. I did send out a replacement. Hopefully, fingers crossed, she does receive that one from the post office. I tried to duplicate it as best I could to the first one that I sent out to her. Thank you so much, Lori. That was very nice of you to still include me even though my package went AWOL. She sent some really great stickers. These are so nice. I love them so much. Nice vintage. I do have a couple of boxes of vintage stickers that I like to hoard. Maybe one day I will use them. Maybe not. Oh, thank you so much, Lori. I love all of these. They're so nice. This is from Marissa, the Fun Size Crafter on Instagram. This little Gingy is adorable. I love how she used the purpley blue for accents. So cute. She sent a really cute note on the inside. And these little envelopes, we have the cute sweater and it's a pocket. And then this one, which is a little envelope. So cute. Thank you so much, Marissa. This next card is from Maxine. She made these adorable snow globe that has the penguins on the inside. So fun. And she wrote me this super cute note. And look at this adorable stamp that she stamped the middle with. Definitely need this stamp in my life. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Maxine. And this next one is from Stace. I love how she decorated the outside of her envelope. She sent this super cute Santa and Frosty card, and they have like cute pom-poms on them. She wrote a note on the inside. Thank you so much, Stace. And she sent this really pretty bookmark, which I probably will convert this into a tag. I love these long tags. And then she also shared a homemade envelope. I use these all the time. Thank you so much for that. I did receive a Christmas card from Leanna. She sent this super fun Santa. She sent a really nice note on the inside, as well as these super fun die cuts. I love them all. They are just the super cutest. And we have this super chunky bell. It's adorable. Thank you so much, Leanna. I love it all. I'm going to put it all to good use. This next package is from Gina at Gina Loves to Crafts. And I'm not kidding you. This is how it arrived in my mailbox. It's completely open. The front is ripped open and it still made it to me. So that's pretty amazing. Thank you so much, Gina, for sending this my way. I'm so glad it actually made it to me. She has this really beautiful Christmas card. It's really nice and big. On the inside, she wrote a super cute note, and this is a strawberry notebook set. I am in love with this so much. Most of you may know that I love fruit. That's why Sharon and myself from Cheap to Chic host our summer vibe swap. This This is so super cute. Thank you so much, Gina. I love it so much. It just screams summer vibes. Thank you so much for sending me that. I do have another package from Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic that I will be filming separately. I would just like to thank you all so very much. I appreciate everyone more than I can even express in words. I enjoy everyone's friendship, and I would just like to say thank you so much for taking the time out of your day and sending me some merry mail. I appreciate it so very much. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.